Hey everyone, this is Arjun Rai, founder and CEO of HelloWoofy.com. As I promised, we're going to be talking today about creating promotional social media posts for Thanksgiving Day and for Cyber Monday and in general the holiday season itself. So I made a couple of ads we can go ahead and schedule for our social media content. And so let's get started. So obviously you're seeing here is our social media dashboard at HelloWoofy.com. Purple is representative of your campaigns you could be running. Blue are your single posts, one-off ad hoc posts that you want to schedule either today, maybe in the next hour or next week. And then, of course, this is your brain dumping ground where you can throw in all the content that's not ready to be added to the library or added to the calendar as a single post. Now, let's go ahead and add content to the library itself. So let's go ahead and to the library and create a new category. So let's say we want to create a new category, add new category, and call this Thanksgiving Day Promotions. I can click Save, move this back over here. And now you'll see it at the end. There it is. Of course, nothing is in here right now, so let's go ahead and add new content. So let's see, we want to add content. We want to use the one from Thanksgiving Day. Let's click on the first one, which is for Thanksgiving Day itself, 25% off Thanksgiving Day sale. It's going to do some image analysis, try to figure out if there are any hashtags that could be relevant. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and type a post. So let's say, how are you? So it's completing the sentence. And there you go, completes the sentence again. How are you? Check out this amazing offer for 25% discount on our software service. All right, let's do that, and let's see if there are any emojis that might be relevant. So let's see something exciting. Oh, here we go, big offer. So let's make sure that the megaphone is there. Let's see what else. Okay, people are voicing the offer itself and talking about it. So let's click on that. And let's add some hashtags. So let's say Thanksgiving. Let's say Thanksgiving. Okay, that's the hashtag there. Let's say holidays. Holidays. Best holiday ever. Okay, I like the hashtag. All right, and then let's also say HelloWoofy. This is, of course, about the promotions about our offer. And let's say, oh, it found Thanksgiving Day, of course, as an illustration. So we already have that hashtag, but if you wanted to add it from here, you could do that as well, as you can see here. Go ahead and delete the original one we had before. And oh, it found some turkey and fall leaves. So let's add that emoji in there as well. Now, keep in mind, emojis, according to research from Adobe and HubSpot and even our internal research, is showing double-digit engagement, which is why we're programmatically giving you recommendations for the best emojis to use as you're typing. And keep in mind, the autocomplete, as you saw before, as I'm typing in real time, is completing the sentences and the words for me. Of course, these are trending hashtags for now, but since we're about a couple of days away from the Thanksgiving Day celebration, these are in real time. They won't be relevant to us. So let's go ahead and add to library. So now, as soon as I click on Add to Library, what will happen is that it's going to, please just choose a category. What's going to happen is that it's going to check for compliance and make sure that you haven't added something that might be too similar, in which case it'll give you a warning, just so that you're always compliant with all the social media platforms and not considered a source of spam. So let's go ahead and click on Add to Library. Now your post is being analyzed, it's being processed, and you're good to go. Congratulations, you've added something to the library. And here we go. Here's our first post in the category Thanksgiving Day Promotions. And guess what? It's about 15% similar to something else in the library and 17% similar to something else you posted to Twitter in the last couple of weeks, or in this case, myself. Now let's go ahead and add another piece of promotion. This time, let's do the Cyber Monday one. So let's go ahead and say, not done yet. Not done yet with your holiday weekend shopping. Of course, shopping, question marks. Let's see if there are any emojis that might come up that might be relevant. So let's see. Here's this one looks like a good one. We have got an amazing offer for Cyber Monday. Actually, let's turn this into a hashtag, Cyber Monday. Let's see if we can find other Cyber Monday hashtags. Or actually, you know what? Let's just say holidays again. Let's do holidays. Holidays. And then let's see if we found anything in here. Monday. Okay, so we found Monday there. Excuse any background noises. Of course, we're in New York City, so we always hear New York City around us. And then let's choose a category you want to add this to. Thanksgiving Day promotions again. Now keep in mind, the light bulb down here actually allows you to find other images that might be relevant. So if I say holidays, it'll start finding images that might be similar or, contextually relevant to holidays. Now if I type in Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving, you'll see that there are a lot of images that come up relevant to that. And again, if you click on the image analysis, the image detector will try to extract hashtags from the image itself. So if I click on this, it'll try to do that analysis again over here and try to figure out what's in the image. Maybe you might, find something relevant. But you see maple leaf. So looks like I found some, the species of the leaf itself and things like that. But let's go ahead and delete it so that we only have one offer there. And we're good to go. And let's go ahead and add this to the library. Now again, it's going to check for compliance and make sure you haven't added something too similar. Congratulations. It's in the library now. It's going to do the analysis and give you a score of how similar this might be to something else. Now again, interesting, right? 20% similar to something else in the library and 5% similar to something else in the that you've posted to Twitter. Now, when it comes to scheduling this content, let's go ahead and go to the homepage. We can do it one of two ways. We can create a campaign, or if you go into the library, we can create a campaign from here as well. But the neat thing is we can also ask the system, the dashboard, to create a campaign using our voice. So let's go ahead and click on the helix down here. Create a campaign. So now what it's trying to do is figure out what did I say, and then what screen would be most relevant to what I'd like to do as far as the platform is concerned. So obviously recognize that I wanted to run a campaign. So let's go ahead and run it from, let's say we want to promote this on the 25th, and then we want to run another post on the 2nd, which is Cyber Monday. So it's going to ask me, do you want to do dates? Do you want to schedule content within these two dates or only these two dates? So since we only have two pieces of content, let's do these dates only. And let's call it Thanksgiving Day promotions. Let's choose our social account. Let's say we want to do our Twitter page. Last in, first out. We want to choose the categories. Of course, we know which one we want. It's the Thanksgiving Day promotions. Select what time. So we probably want to do this early in the day, just before people are, getting to work or getting to work at that time, and click save. Now, what is going to happen is, again, it's going to check for compliance and make sure that you haven't posted anything too similar. And there are a lot of checks and balances throughout the system. You don't have to worry about any of those complications. We make it really simple to always be ahead, so you don't shoot yourself in the foot. Now, congratulations, your campaign's been created. So as you can see here, 25th Thanksgiving Day promotions created. Let's go to December. Thanksgiving Day promotions created. Now let's take a look at the week view. Now here we go, Thanksgiving Day promotions right there. Now notice we can actually drag and drop this to another date if we wanted to reschedule it. You don't have to click on it, drop down, change the date. This is as simple as dragging and dropping. And in fact, if you use your tablet or your iPhone or any touchscreen device, all you have to do is swipe. And it's as easy as that to reschedule a piece of content. And then when we go into the timeline view, you can actually see the campaign right here. Thanksgiving Day promotions. In purple, again, purple is representative of your campaigns, while blue are your single posts. And now when it actually goes out, you'll be able to see the similarity scores change and update themselves so that if you're running another campaign for Thanksgiving Day, it'll give you a sense of analysis, to understand how similar you might be. So that's just a quick example of how you can use HelloWoofy.com for your Thanksgiving Day, Cyber Monday promotions for running on your business, for your brand, and things of that nature. And of course, if you want to bring other people into the ecosystem, simply click on Add People here. But if you have any questions, if you have any thoughts, if you have any comments or questions at all, feel free to email me at arjun@hellowoofy.com. Again, I hope you find this insightful, and it's as simple as 1, 2, 3 when you're using a data-driven, data science-driven marketing dashboard like HelloWoofy.com. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye.